Today we are going to learn double joiners alphabet C. Okay. Remember that C, it comes from the stroke that is S shape. You know that this is the basic stroke of C. Okay. So draw S shape stroke. Remember that. Then form C. Draw oval shape, make it C. Then C A, double joiners C with join with C A. So both these letters having the same stroke. So it is very easy to use. Starting with stroke, then complete the C, then join with another stroke for A. So you have to write C A. Okay. Then listen. Next C B. So C. What is the stroke of B? That is L series stroke. So C B. Okay. C, it lies between only top line and bottom line. Again you remember that the line's name, that is the ascender line, top line, bottom line and descender line. In your notebook always you have to remember that the names of 4 lines and observe the lines while you are writing. Okay. Then C B. Okay. C B. B for L stroke. Finish and touch the top line and complete C B. Next one is C C. Again you write C C C. Okay children, don't take out of your hand while when you are complete these full double joiners. Then C D. D also the same stroke of C. But listen here, you are slanting this line stroke is our previous basic stroke. Okay, touch the ascender to bottom. C D. Then C E. Top line and bottom line. C F. F is a special letter that touch all the 4 lines, ascender, top, bottom and the descender. Okay, C F. Then C G. Again you draw a stroke and complete G. This slanting line should be similar to that of our basic stroke, that is the top line to descender basic stroke. Remember that. So here this is the, it resembles our basic stroke. Complete slanting in position. C G. Then C H. So draw a stroke. C H. It is a L series. C H. Then C I. I is a tick stroke. Then C J. C J, it comes from the tick stroke. And you observe this line, only cross out at the bottom line. C J. Understand children? C J. Next one C K. K. Again it's a L series stroke. C K. Then C L. Okay. L. Aduthu next one C M. M is a hook like stroke. This is the stroke. Then you complete the M. That is C M. Then C N. N also similar to that of M. Write the stroke and complete N. C N. Next one is C O. C O also the same as stroke. only touch the top line and bottom line. Next one is CP. Okay, CP. Then CQ. Q is similar to that of C, S stroke, but this line it resembles our previous basic stroke, should be slanting. Next one is C, R. R does not have a stroke, but some rules. Yesterday we learned that this same spacing and blunt shape here. Don't forget to that blunt shape. C, R. Understand, children? Then C, S. S does not have a stroke, but it has some rule. It has definite shape, S shape. C and S. Then C, T. T, it comes from the tick stroke. T. Okay, C, T. Then C, U. U, it comes also tick stroke. Okay, all these comes from only between the top line and bottom line. Observe, always you remember that the names of 4 lines and between the top line and bottom line, or whether it touch the descender line, especially this F is touch all the 4 lines. Remember that in all double joiners, F is always comes between all the 4 lines, so it is called the special letter. Okay, C, U. Then C, V. V, write it like slanting position. Already we have for V straight slanting, but you have to join with any other alphabet. You can join and put it in slanting manner. C, V. Next C, W. Okay, C, X. Don't take out of your hand, children, while you are writing cursive handwriting and double joiners. Whether you complete the C, take out your hand, then don't put X. Similarly, you start from here, then ends only at here. C, X. Okay, then C, Y. Touch the descender line, Y. And C is Z. Okay, C is it. Is it also touch the descender line? That's we have to see. Next letter D. Now we are going to write double joiners of alphabet D. Okay, we have completed A, B, C. Now D. Remember that D, this stroke is again S shape stroke. From this stroke you write D and A. D, A again S stroke, complete A. Okay, listen, children. DA to DZ, while you are writing these double joiners, you remember that you start from here, don't take out of your hand, only ends this here. Then D, this slanting position resembles our previous slanting stroke, that is this one. Okay, ascended to bottom. Similar to that, slanting position is very important in your cursive handwriting. Already whether you complete this stroke, you have not to write like this manner. This is it resembles your not a good manner. It resembles back normal writing. So remember that this slanting position is very, very important. Okay, children. Then DA. Next one is DB. So start from stroke S, D. Next B. B, it comes from the stroke L series, D. Okay, B, then it touches the top line, then D, C. D, C. Next one is D, D. And observe this spacing also. All space between the alphabets. One alphabet with another one. The in between the letters spacing also very important. Observe it. Then write. D, D. Next one is D, E. Okay, children. Then D, F. F, it touch all the 4 lines. Okay, D, F. Then D, G. It touches the descender line, and this slanting line it resembles our previous basic strokes. D, G. Next D, H. D, H, it's a L stroke. Okay, D, H. D, I. Okay, it's a tick stroke. D, J, again tick stroke. It cross out only at the bottom line. D, J. Next one D, K. D, K, it's a L stroke, form K. D, K. Next one is D, L. Okay, children. Next one is D, M. Here M stroke form and write alphabet M. D, N. This is also similar, our M stroke D, N. Okay, then D, O. D and O, it has same S stroke. You complete and finish at the top line. Next one is D, P. D, P. Okay, next one is D, Q. This slanting line in your double joiners, observe all this slanting line. It should be our basic stroke. Okay, D, Q. Next one is D, R. R, here is a blunt shape and spacing also important to the top and bottom level. Okay, D, R. Next one is D, S. S shape, so duck shape, D, S. Next one is D, T. T comes from the tick stroke, T. Okay. Next one is D, U. Okay. Then D, V. V, that is straight and slanting, V. And D, W. And D, X. And D, Y. Touch the descender line and slanting position also very important. And D, Z. It touch the descender line. Okay, so D, A to D, Z. Observe all the basic strokes and all the double joiners should be very slanting. Now we are going to write double joiners alphabet E. Okay, E does not have any stroke, so you have to write very easily. So you should observe the shape only. E and A, again you draw the S stroke and complete the alphabet E. Understand, children? Starting it does not have any stroke. E. So simple. So start from the bottom line. E. Next B, it has a L stroke. Okay. Then E. C. C. S shape and complete the alphabet C. E. C. Then E. D. S stroke. Slanting line. Complete the alphabet D. Bottom line. Only touch between the top line and bottom line. This touch the ascender line. E. E. Both does not have any stroke, but spacing is important. These two alphabets does not have any stroke. Simple, you have to write E with another E, but spacing is important. Observe each spacing starting with the stroke. This stroke, and here it's a spacing is very important, children. E, E. Next one is E, F. Listen here. E and F, again touch the ascender line, descender, cross it and touch the top line. E, F. Then E, G. E, G. Touch the descender line. Next E, H. L series 2 and complete the alphabet H. E, H. Next, listen here. E, I. Tick stop and complete the alphabet E, I. Only it lies between top line and bottom line. E, J. Tick stop, complete the alphabet and cross it only in the bottom line. E, J. Then E, K. L series stop and E, K. Observe your double joiners always, it should be little bit slanting in position. Don't write on erect position. Okay. E, K. Next E, L. Okay. Then E, M stop and complete the alphabet M. Similar to that of M, N is also comes from the same stroke. E, N, E, N, E, M, E, N. Next E, O, complete at the top line. Then E, P, slanting, complete the alphabet P. E, P. Okay. Then E, Q. Remember this basic slanting stroke. Complete the alphabet Q. E, Q. Next E and R. Okay. Remember that blend position and the spacing. Then E, S. Okay. Then E, T. E, T. Then E, U. Okay. Next E, V. V straight and slanting lies between the top line and bottom line. Next E, W. Okay. Then E, X. Don't take out of your hand from the note, starting from E and complete X. Here only you have to take your hand from the note. E, X. Next E, Y. It touch the descender line. Okay. Then E, Z, touch the descender line. Basic EZ stove EZ. So from EA to EZ, this is a way to write your double joiners